morning. How you doing? It is Monday. Not a lot going on. I'm actually going to be editing tonight, so hopefully I get a lot in this vlog. I don't know how much I'm going to get. But first of all, I need to tackle this. So now you see it. And voila, all cleaned. All right, now it is time for lunch, so I'm gonna get to that right now.
It's right there. Move right back. Move right back. Move right back.
Driver.
It's right there. They move right back off the town. Up and down. Up and down.
Are you reading? What does this one say?
A baby, let's go where. A baby,
all right.
Go where. Off the town.
Okay, what does this one say?
Mommy, go.
Look, Jasmine. The mommy on the bus says. No shit. The mommy on the bus says.
Shush.
Okay. The. Okay, the bell on the bus. All right. What's next? Thanks. Oh, you got it. Thanks for the ride. All right. Thank you. All right, so we went to karate for Sean, and it was canceled tonight. And somehow I didn't get the memo. So he got all dressed up, went out there, and we had to turn right back around and go home. I'm watching Monday Night Football right now. Jasmine's taking a bath. Sean's the next to take a bath. But there's not much else we did in this vlog that we can put in here. So what I'm actually going to do is go into tomorrow and try to combine what goes on tomorrow, even though I'm just going to work tomorrow. If anything happens, I'll add it on to it. I'll edit it tomorrow night, and then I'll be able to post it tomorrow night. This Thursday is actually Sean's birthday, so we'll see what we get into for Sean's birthday. I have a memorial service to attend on Friday, but we'll see what the weekend holds. So I hopefully will see you guys tomorrow. Hey, just got home from work. Just got home from picking up the kids too. Don't think there's anything else I need to add to this vlog, but I actually need to go see about this camera because it shouldn't be going out, and it's bothering me because we're going on a trip and I'm gonna need a vlog camera. I do have a backup, but I don't like the quality of it, so I'm not gonna let you guys suffer through it. In a couple days, it's Sean's birthday, so we're looking to see what we can do for his birthday. If we're going to do anything, because him and I are not really seeing eye to eye with certain things. So that's it for this vlog. Though it was short, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you band members later. You heard me?
Throwing that thing from left